Hi there. My name is Brian Jansen. I am the director of the Polarity Therapy Institute, and I'm really excited about the trainings we have coming up here in the fall. We're starting in September. So if you've been curious about polarity therapy, this is your chance to jump in and learn this unique healing practice, which I've been involved with for over 23 years. I've been giving sessions, and I never get tired of this work, of giving it, of receiving it, of talking about it. I just got a session of polarity therapy today. It reminded me how amazing this practice is, even though I give it all the time. I have a full-time practice and I'm constantly helping people with it. I don't always receive sessions myself, and I happen to get one today from one of my students. The difference of how I feel after a session from before is pretty remarkable. It really works to help you get connected to yourself and your vitality. I just felt so much more motivated, so much more in a better mood, alive, and freer in my physical being, and more secure and centered in my mental, emotional being. And so that's the nature of this practice. It involves hands-on energy work, so working with your hands, working with the body. It also involves listening and verbal dialogue, helpful dialogue to support people in becoming more present in themselves. It involves a nutritional component and a stretching yoga exercise component, all focused on helping you become more free within yourself, more connected to yourself, and helping your vitality come alive. So connecting you to your own sense of aliveness. It can be used in so many different ways. People use it who just feel wonderful and want to keep evolving and keep feeling better. And people use it who are suffering in some way. Polarity therapy can really serve almost anyone who wants natural health and healing. I'd really love to hear from you and hear about your background and to figure out together if this might be a good fit for you. If you're someone who is interested in helping other people to heal, maybe you're in another therapeutic practice, or sometimes people come from medical practices, chiropractors, acupuncturists, Chinese medicine. We also get psychotherapists, yoga teachers, all kinds of people from different healing disciplines find their way into polarity therapy. And then we get people who are brand new to any kind of healing practice. Maybe they've just been feeling a calling to help others, or they're coming from a corporate background or some other industry and they're wanting to do something that has more of a direct impact in helping people. We get a whole variety of people. I'm happy to connect with you if you want to have an information session and learn more about what's involved in the training, and for me to answer any questions to help you figure out if this might be a good fit for you.